What do I enjoy most about the Business League? To me, return on investment is really important. Networking event in it for the long term, so it's not a day in, day out thing, it's like a years in, years out thing for me, so I want to see return on investment month after month after month, and definitely get that at the Business League. Community business partnerships. Gold Coast, obviously, it's Gold Coast based, so small, medium-sized businesses, looking to surround yourself with energetic business partners and to grow your business through people around you. If that's the kind of business that you're trying to build, definitely come and have a look at the Business League. I think it's a combination of highly dynamic business people that are in the room, as well as the speakers that come along to the event. The speakers that get to present, really, it makes it almost a mini business seminar at each breakfast, and I think that's the unique aspect to it. So I've been part of the group various aspects for probably 6 to 7 years, and I've been a sponsor for 2 to 3 years now. The business is now 5 times the size of what it was when I started joining the Business League, so just growth alone has changed a lot.